Good morning, my dear custodians. Let's start with proportion. If you see at the example, the ratio of 12 to 16, we can find the comparison between two. It is 12 upon 16 divided and it comes into 3 upon 4, which is 3 is to 4. Whereas the ratio of 6 pencil to 8 pencil, also if you check, the ratio is forming 3 is to 4. So what we find from the above two examples, we can see that their end result or the ratio is coming 3 is to 4. Hence we can say that 12 is to 16 is equal to 6 is to 8. So such kind of equality where the ratios are coming equal, we can say they are in proportion. Okay. So the definition of proportion is an equality of two ratios is called proportion. Thus we can say all these four quantities, 12 is to 16, 6 is to 8 are in proportion. Now in general we can say that there are four quantities or four terms A, B, C and D, and they are said to be in proportion. Only if when A is to B is equal to C is to D, or A upon B is equal to C upon D. Okay, here we can say A is to B. Okay, whereas this is means is as. Now as I have already said, there are four quantities, there mean four terms A, B, C and D. First, second, third and fourth terms. The first and the fourth terms are called extremes or the extreme terms, whereas the second and the third are called the middle terms or the means. Okay, so these four are in proportion, where we can say A upon B is equal to C upon D, that is A into D is equal to B into C. After cross multiplier, cross product rule it is known as. Hence we can say the product of extremes is equal to product of means. The product of extremes means A and D, and the product of means B into C. Okay, this is also known as cross product rule. If A multiplied by D and B multiplied by C, if they are not equal, then we can say they are not in proportion. Let us deal with some examples. I have two ratios, 9 is to 15 and 18 is to 24. Are they in proportion or not? So we will divide. This becomes 3 upon 5 or 3 is to 5, and this comes 3 is to 4. Okay, 6 3s are 6 4s are. We can see in both the cases they are not similar, hence they do not form a proportion. Now 25 gram, 30 gram, 40 kg and 48 kg, are they in proportion? We divide 25 and 30. So 5 5s, that's not 35, it's 25. 5 5s are 5 6s are, and 40 and 48. Okay. So we will divide and we will get 5 upon 6. In both the cases we are getting same. Okay, 8 5 is 40, 8 6 is 48. Hence we can say they are in proportion. Do the ratios 15 centimeter to 2 meter, 24 seconds to 3 minutes form a proportion? So first we will convert this into centimeter. We should have same units as I already mentioned. So 200 centimeter becomes a 15 upon 200, 5 3s are 5 40s are. And we will convert the minutes into seconds, that is multiplying by 60, 180. 24 upon 180. 6 4s are 6 30s are, 2 2s are 2 15s are. So 3 upon 40 is not equal to 2 upon 15, hence they are not in proportion. Are 5, 10, 30 and 16 proportion? Let's find it out. 5 upon 10 and 30 upon 60. 5 upon 10 means half, whereas 30 upon 60 also half. Yes, they are in proportion. Alternative form, you can cross multiply them. 5 6 are 300, 30 0 300 and 10 30 is 300. So yes, they are in proportion. Now we want to check 32, 48, 70 and 209 proportion or not. We multiply the extremes, which we get 6720. We multiply the means and we get 3360. Hence they are not in proportion. So we can say that these four quantities are not in proportion. Okay, so these are the examples. Go through it. If you have any doubt, do ask me, message me, call me, or on online classes, and try and do the exercises related to this part. God bless.